Ethereum is expected to climb 4.7% tomorrow, per Gov Capital Collector update. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Ethereum is currently down 3.9% in the last 24 hours and sits around $2,910.94. Let's move into the projection roundup. Gov Capital Collector expects the price to approach $3,046.30 by December 24, representing a gain of about 4.7%. Coin Price Forecast believes Ethereum could push toward $2,956, a potential gain of 1.6%. Traders Union notes it might be on track for $2,921.08, implying a gain of 0.4%. A separate projection from Digital Coin Price suggests Ethereum could head down toward $2,864.21, roughly 1.6% lower than now. And last but not least, CoinDataFlow forecasts $2,513.34 by December 24, down 13.6%. This is the top result we've analyzed. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a drop of 13.6% to a rise of 4.7%, depending on the analyst. All in all, CoinDataFlow ends up with the highest return with 13.6% uplift in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $4 and $136 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Traders Union leads with a 93.1% chance of success. By pulling the forecast together, I've set out a consensus scenario. According to consensus, Ethereum is set to trade near $2,860.19. Let's get into the specifics. Consensus analysis indicates the price could slip by 1.7%. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 1.7%. A 1,000 position could show potential growth of $17. And when it comes to probabilities, the consensus forecast for Ethereum carries about 87.6% likelihood. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. Gov Capital Collector expects strength on the upside. Likewise, Coin Price Forecast notes that Ethereum appears set to push higher. Traders Union expects Ethereum to hover near its present value, showing very limited change. Digital Coin Price notes bearish momentum building up. CoinDataFlow suggests Ethereum won't see major moves. By integrating these assessments, the consensus view points to a bias toward upward movement for Ethereum across the 3-day horizon. In total, 60% of analysts point to an upward direction for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. Ultimately, the closing price printed $3,009.68. The trend showed that the majority had the right forecast about the direction. CoinIncodex stood out with the sharpest prediction. Let's break it down now. The daily candle included 3 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts turned positive, led by Coin Price Forecast with 1.7%. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. For Coin Price Forecast, forecast probability is 88.3%, accuracy, and ROI 1.7%. Have a look and decide which forecast came truest to life. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast. Base returns vary between Ethereum and several others. At 4th position is Ethereum, while Aave keeps the lead at -5.2%. Currently, Ethereum is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full list with many more will appear soon on my website and Telegram.
This kind of analyst isn't easy to find. Subscribe if you don't want to miss more like it. See you when the next numbers come in.